Hello, my name is Melissa Williams and I am a second-year PhD candidate at the University of Guelph. In my poster presentation today, I will speak about a project that I worked on looking at undigestible neutral detergent fiber as a predictor for feedlot cattle performance and carcass characteristics. Traditionally, finishing feedlot cattle are fed high-grain diets to promote growth. However, these high-grain diets tend to increase the risk of ruminal acidosis, which is associated with loss of producer profit due to health issues and reduced animal performance. To aid in preventing this acidosis and liver abscess, some forage is included in the diet to increase the amount of effective fiber that will increase rumination and saliva production. It is important to note that not all forages are considered equal, as they are made up of different amounts of digestible and indigestible nutrients, which can differ based on crop harvesting, processing, and chemical treatment. Undigestible neutral detergent fiber is a portion of the forage that is never digestible or absorbed for use by the animal. This nutrition component of the diet has the potential to be used as a predictor of animal performance and carcass characteristics. Therefore, the objective of this project was to use the power of meta-analysis data collection and analysis to examine previous research and determine the impact of dietary UNDF on feedlot cattle performance and carcass characteristics. Meta-analysis is a method of data collection and examination that combines the results of multiple studies with the aim to answer a specific question. So in order to answer the question of this project, we searched for and collected data from studies where treatment was a forage type or forage inclusion level, and animal performance and carcass traits were measured. From here, we were able to collect data, make calculations, develop models, and then evaluate those models to make recommendations on the impacts of UNDF in the diet of finishing feedlot cattle. The results of this meta-analysis in the final models that were developed indicated that with increasing undigestible NDF, increased dry matter intake, while there was a decrease in average daily gain, dressing percentage, finishing body weight, gain to feed ratio, and hog carcass weight. These outcomes do make sense because as we increase the amount of undigestible nutrients in the diet, the animal will need to eat more in order to meet its requirements. And this may potentially lower the overall performance of that animal and its subsequent carcass characteristics. So what does this mean for producers? In feedlot animals, the amount of UNDF in the diet can have an impact on animal performance and carcass characteristics. Overall, with an increase in UNDF in the diet, animal performance and carcass traits are reduced. It is important to note that in an animal experiencing ruminal acidosis, UNDF may have a different impact on performance and may be beneficial. Additionally, UNDF may have a positive impact on rumen health and should be examined in future research. I would like to thank my collaborators, Dr. Greg Penner, Dr. Jennifer Ellis, and Dr. Katie Wood, as well as Jordan Johnson for the help with UNDF estimation. Thanks also goes out to the Cumberland Valley Analytical Services for allowing us to use their database, which made this meta-analysis possible.